Referrals build your business. I'm not knocking them down. They're the best lead you'll ever get. But here's the trap nobody warns you about. Word of mouth is great right up until the month it goes quiet. And when it goes quiet, you can't do anything about it. You can't turn it up. You can't control it. You can't call referrals and say, hey, send me more this week. Some months it floods and you're slammed. Some months it's dead. And you're staring at your phone, wondering what happened. And you just ride the wave and pray it picks back up. That's actually not a business you're running. That's a coin flip you're surviving on. The contractor who adds a second tap, one, he can actually turn on whenever he wants, where homeowners are already out there searching for exactly what he does. That guy stops living month to month. He's not praying anymore. He's deciding. Referrals are a gift. They're just a terrible thing to build your whole income on top of.